If you think wireless service is spotty now, just wait, because the surge in mobile data traffic is putting big pressure on wireless networks, and it could be a key factor in the smartphone battles. Let's go now to Sheila Dharmarajan for more on this story. Sheila?
Well, Scarlett, the bottom line is that a bandwidth crisis is looming. So smartphones now, they take up 30 times the bandwidth of regular cell phones. So the combination of a growth in smartphones and the limited amount of bandwidth that's available means a huge strain on the network and, of course, a huge strain on the consumers. Here's Peter Misick. He's from Canaccord Adams, and here's his take on that.
Consumers in the United States and indeed in metropolitan areas throughout Europe are starting to experience very poor performance on their wireless service. They're seeing dropped calls, they're seeing echoes and fades, they're seeing call connectivity rates that are subpar, and it's just going to get worse.
Well, Scarlett, fixing this bandwidth crisis is a very complicated technological issue. There's no easy solution to it. But in the short term, a quick fix could be for carriers to eliminate the unlimited data plans. Experts think that paying to play might be the new model when it comes to getting wireless data. Here's Peter's take on that.
Tiered data plans, the carriers have to introduce tiered data plans, which means users that use more bandwidth are going to have to pay more.
Now, in fact, in September, Verizon CTO Dick Lynch actually noted that the concept of a flat-rate, infinitely expandable service is unachievable, Scarlett. So keep an eye out for those tiered data plans.
Sheila, how does this affect the whole smartphone wars?
Well, you know, phones that are the most efficient users of bandwidth could be the ones that come out ahead. So RIM, for example, because of their architecture, BlackBerry devices can actually send 11 times the emails versus an iPhone using the exact same amount of bandwidth. So under these new tiered plans, BlackBerry users are offered a lot more bang for their buck. And other winners, well, the Canaccord Adams report says to keep an eye out for telecom equipment and wireless backhaul companies. So companies like Harris Stratix, Alcatel-Lucent, because until the long-term bandwidth issue is fixed, a lot of these companies are going to be addressing the near-term congestion issues. We're always hearing about network upgrades, et cetera. So these companies could get some upside from that, Scarlett.